morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Today I'm working on week 46 of Margarete Miller's collage challenge. I need fall weather, and as I'm doing this, it's November 11th, and this is what my sky looks like with some snow coming down. So I'm going to use this as my weather. I'm going to put a little bit of strip of that on there. I've got 3 choices for road signs. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. A pattern with stripes I don't think I'm going to use. Light, I have some of these stars that I thought would be great. And something found in a forest. I'm going to use some kind of sticker like one of these. And the bonus is a flower, so I'll have to use a flower of some kind. It might not be this flower. If I don't use the pattern with stripes, I need to use the bonus. So some kind of flower is going to be on here. But what I think I'm going to do is kind of just make half of the background the light and half the sky. And I think the sky is going to go up. Maybe the sky should be at the bottom and the star should be at the top. Maybe because this is kind of more, I don't know, more of what real life would be. Stars are kind of up above where the clouds are, so let me get that situated and we'll come back. Alright, so I believe I have what I'm doing now. I'm going to put this sign kind of behind the clouds a little bit, and so this gives me the fall weather, the road sign, the lights, something found in a forest. I'm just going to put some of these trees, actually probably this one, on this little bit of hill that you see here. And I also think I'm going to put this bird flying in the sky somewhere. And we've also got these 2 little white flowers. I was going to put one of these black flowers on there, but it's so dimensional that I think I'm going to just go ahead and put these white flowers on. So I think that's it. We will do that. Well, I'm going to just kind of try to glue everything down. And I think I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac for this background. And get that down all the way. And I hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe. What are you doing on this Veterans Day 2025? Alright. Oh, I was going to do it this way. So the light part, the brighter light part, was up at the top. That looks pretty good. That's the best I've ever put on a background in one shot. Alright, so for this one, I'm only going to glue the bottom parts for now, because I need to stick that sign in. And yeah, so here we go. We got that, and then the sign is just going to kind of go like this. So we'll do that. I don't want any of the word signs behind the clouds. So I think I need to use, unfortunately, need to use some glue stick for this. I think it might work better, but it's also easier to rip these little pieces off. So I'm trying to be super gentle and also get every little bit covered, because I don't want any of these to rip off. Alright, so that's going like that. Not bad. Looks like I forgot to put glue on that one. These 2 don't have any glue on them. Okay. So we got that. And now, ooh, I forgot I need to also put this down. Okay. This one's still not stuck down either. That's going to be the best I can do there. And now for the forest trees that are going to go right here. You see that? Maybe I'll put another tree there too, like this one can go over here. It's hard to see them on the background of that, but maybe one more. I like the way this is coming out. I'm kind of surprised because I didn't think I would. I'm going to move this down and cut off the bottom. Get the bird. We'll put the bird flying like right here so we can see him good. And the flower, I think I'm just going to kind of put on here with no reason for it to be there. Actually, I really like how this one came out. I honestly don't normally like how my collages come out, but this one I do. So let's cut this bottom part of the sticker off here. And I actually put these out of order again. This is 45 and this is 46. Alright. I don't know how I managed to get so many out of order. I think that's good. So we've got our fall weather, our road sign. We don't have the pattern with stripes, but we have the bonus for the flowers. This is my light. And these are all things found in the forest. I really like how this one came out. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.